This is a Christmas pyramid. It's pretty cute. It's missing a lot of its pieces, so I'm going to grab it for like $4 and see if I can revive it. Maybe not for this year, but for next year. I actually sell these in my shop. They are very collectible and kind of hard to find. I just have some smaller ones that I bought this year for our Chris Kindle market. So if you are looking for these, come get them. I have some, they're really, really cute. Last year I waited to put my snowmen out till after Christmas and they did not sell at all. This year I'm putting my snowmen out right away with everything else and they are doing great. These guys are really, really cute. I had to fix up the hat on the second one because it was chipped, and that is a perfect example of what Rustic Rehabs does. I take things that people don't want to deal with and I give them another life. This Santa, this old world Santa, looked so cool to me. He just needed really to be cleaned up. They needed to be tightened on his feet and staged properly, and I'm sure this little guy's gonna find a home. We're having a sale today, the last day of our flash sale, 25% off of furniture, decor, and candles. You can come in between 12 and 5 if you are local, and if you're not, you can shop online, no code needed. This sold yesterday to one of my repeat customers. She's so cute. She said, "My husband and I love to go dancing, so I can't wait to show this to him." Isn't that adorable? That's the kind of joy that I get from finding things that I think other people would enjoy and curating them in my store, fixing them, painting them, showing people how to fix their stuff. It really, really brings me a lot of happiness. I grabbed a bunch of these little snowmen. I may put them in tiny little vignettes or I may sell them separately. This guy I thought about long and hard. He was pretty rustic. I carried him around for probably a half hour and then I ended up putting him back. I just didn't know if I could save him even for $5. Now this guy, he is so cute. The little dog, his little shovel. I think he might have sold already. I can't remember honestly. If you're interested in these items, you can check out rusticrehabs.com. I sell all of these thrifted items, but I also sell paint and products and do classes to try to teach you to take all your old things and reinvent them. You don't have to break the bank to have a beautiful home. I thought about this plastic tree topper. I think they're really pretty, but it just made me want to find real tree toppers, real glass ones, so I put this back. Do you use these? What do you think of this? See, now this makes me sad. I know that he was probably donated intact. I looked around for his ears, but I'm not talented enough to make new ears, so back he goes. These I just bought for a couple of bucks each to stage with. This is actually collectible, this like New Year 1999 nutcracker, but he needs some work. His hair, I think, is not original, but we took him home and I'll see if I can get to him. If you're interested in this guy, message me. I can hook you up, but I'm thinking he needs work to put on the floor. This is the kind of thing I would usually grab to paint, to put in somebody's garden, but she was a little scary to me. This feels like a good time to tell you about our Chris Kindle Market coming up next weekend. We will have the Sugar Sunflower Bakery, and a friend, Jody, is going to bring her antique ornaments. So make sure that you stop in. Oh, and we're also going to have Buddy the Elf. One of my daughter's friends is going to dress up for us. So come take pictures with Buddy the Elf. It's going to be a really fun day. And then you can hit up all the downtown events that are going on with vendors and all kinds of fun things. This basket was cute. I really almost bought it, but I have so many baskets that I need to either do something with or sell myself. So the adult took over and I put it back down. Somebody else can enjoy it. I was actually pretty picky today and ended up with just 2 bags that I could carry out to the car without a cart, which is good because this is a place you can't take your cart out. And I think it's the first time that's ever happened where I didn't have to make multiple trips. These would actually be cute if you put some bottle brush trees in them. You didn't have to make them look like they were on a pier. This I looked at, but it looks like it needed work, so I just left it, but it's pretty cute. This little knot tying board was pretty cute. I thought about buying it, but it just really isn't my aesthetic, so we left it there. I don't really have any thrift flips to show you of stuff I bought today, but I did do a couple of live videos this week that were pretty good. We worked on a milk can that I got, and this is my old mailbox, and here's what they looked like after, and they both sold actually to family, which is so fun. This I thought about, but it was kind of janky, so I left it there. So one of the things I think about, kind of automatically when I do this, is what I can sell these things for and what I need to do to them. So these were originally from Pier 1, and they're cute, but they were cheap to start with. And so if I put any work into them, I'm really not going to get that much back out of them. So I just decided to pass. Stay tuned this week for the thrift flip, easy for me to say today, on one of these. I did get this little window. We took off the hinges, and I think it's going to be a cute one. This I'm putting away for fall, and these little embellished pumpkins will look really cute on some sort of a vignette, some sort of a something that I do next year. Dog hair is a condiment and a fashion accessory. Doesn't it feel that way sometimes when you have pets? Like the hair is everywhere. So I thought somebody might enjoy that funny little sign. And this one was very pretty. So I just decided this needed to come home too for like $3 or $4. I think this is supposed to be for cat treats, and I thought it was really cute, but look, it's been chewed on. Clearly the pet knew what was in there. This little bird statuette sold this weekend. Very cute, just different. This little duck is in really good shape. The hat is kind of cute, but I did take the hat off and I'm just going to use it for spring. We spent $54 this week. I think that's a pretty good amount of stuff for that price. Here's a few peeks at our week. We added new furniture, which is on sale, and we've still got some other great decor left in the shop. We did a jewelry box, a vanity, and now we're working on make and takes. So we've got some really fun make and takes that you can just drop in and work on anytime we're open. Oh, say hi to Gert the goose. She went home too this week. So here's some peeks at our make and takes. Come in and create with us this week. It will be so fun. Take good care.